Hi everyone, James Brantley here with Magnolia Home Inspections. Today I'm going to show you something interesting that I found today while inspecting a new construction home. I'm in the attic of this home and I noticed that there's not any insulation installed in the attic space. So this can definitely be a serious problem, and especially in trying to cool the home. So what we're going to suggest here today is that the builder come back out and make sure that the proper insulation is installed. So if you're looking to buy a home, especially a new construction, make sure that you get a thorough home inspection.